Jessica's driving. Let's go. Anyway, so she packed in. Gonna take it to the shop right now, and we can work on getting transmission out. I did order brakes. New rotors and new pads, and we're gonna replace that as well. That's an update. Gonna go drop it off and continue on. And this guy, yeah, the buyer liked it a lot, and we'll decide on it tomorrow. Yeah. Well, since we're on the subject, I decided to just show you guys what I have for the brakes. I didn't go to the crazy upgrade on the brakes because this is 5x100, and eventually, after all this engine and transmission stuff is complete, we're gonna swap them for STI front hubs, the whole assembly and the rears. Until then, I need to get something that works right and not, you know, if you guys saw my other video, they installed the wrong disc on this because the pads are, you know, hanging out. Anyway, to fix the situation, we went with the nicer upgraded brake pads. The Hawk is the pads to go for the upgrades. Street Performance 5.0. Great above OEM. If you wanna, oh boy, hold on a second. If you wanna any upgrades, Hawk is the way to go. So I got front pads in there, and I got just the standard rotors right here, which I already put on. Let me do it for you guys. Oh yeah, here, and I can already tell that they're a lot taller than that what's going on here. So perfect, it's gonna work. These are the right ones. All right, so let me show you. This is how this guy was driving. So too small of the rotor, the brake pads were sticking out outside of the disc. Wow, all this right here. Yeah, no contact right here. All right guys, it's getting dark, but we're getting this transmission out of the car. Getting the transmission out. All-wheel drive transmission, Subaru. All by myself. There you go. Whew. 5-speed WRX trainee, all by yourself. All by myself. Anyway, there she is. Man, compared to the 6-speed, this is a little skinny. The 6-speed STI going in. So this is the progress. There you go, all the way, all the brake job. Look at them beasts. Yeah, brakes are in, new brakes, transmission out, downpipe. Things are happening. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we're meeting up. Saturday we decided not to do anything tonight. Saturday we're meeting up to get engine apart. So stay tuned. Don't change the channel. I'll see you in the next. See you next. Jeez, good morning Saturday. Funny story. So when I took this downpipe out, I remember that I saw a whole bunch of ads on the Craigslist saying, hey, we'll buy your cat, this and that. So I emailed and they asked for a number. There is actually a number like on the side. I don't want to get my hands dirty, but on the side there's a printed number that's stamped. That's actually a number of that catalog converter. And one guy offered me $700 for this cat to come and pick it up. And he's in Philly, so he's driving an hour to come pick it up. So I told the other guy, I was like, sorry, somebody else picking up. He's like, I'll give you $720. I'll be there like in 30 minutes. I was like, are you crazy? You know. So anyway, sold the cat for $700. This rusted pipe. I need to take the sensor off. Actually, sold it for $700. Guy's on the way here. He'll be here in an hour to pick it up. That's insane. Well, it'll help out my my bill, pay for something. Happy Saturday. And the block is stripped to the lone block, down to the lone block. I didn't see any problems. We have valve covers off on both ends, and I didn't find anything concerning. So now I'm gonna take the heads off.
Those two were like,
Welcome to this YouTube channel as we watch Ivan take apart a motor. Ah, yes. So nice and as we're sitting here watching majestically. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
smells like removing head bolts.
Smells like a Subaru and motor oil. Welcome to Pete's 717. Please like, share, and subscribe. God, you're brilliant, man. Do you hear that, guys? I've said the cross hatching is amazing. And he's smelling the head gasket right now. I don't know why. Don't ask.
Burnt smell, you know?
Burnt ass right now.
I don't know what you're doing with burnt ass.
Pete, you better keep this audio.
Yeah, I want to see it in the video. Cool. That's good.
Looks good. She looks good.
That nice silver pea oil coming out. Smells like pure like butane.
I remember that. I was like, I'm pretty sure
Like once throw off.
the fuse, the balance.
So what do we have so far? Internally everything looks good. Block looks awesome, so that's good news that at least our foundation is good. So now we're gonna split it open in half, get the pistons out, and all right, center out.
Somewhere there. It's like crazy scuffing.
Yeah.
Well, 90K, right?
Sweet. Let's look at those bearings.
I accidentally introduced.
Introduce some wax in there. Yeah. Well, look at that.
Look, Yep, collapsing.
Right now, we're just gonna throw it in the trunk. It's gonna go to the shop. They're just gonna clean it. What else they gonna do?
Hot tank it, deck it, and
Deck it and
probably glass bead it from all the
yeah, so it's nice and shiny. And that's it. So this is an update. This is the end of it. Thank you for watching. Next episode, more of the good stuff. It's too late, too dark, too tired. Out.